Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. You know what? I'm just about to prepare some dinner for tonight and I thought I'm going to roll the cameras and show you how I zhuzh up a midweek meal, and it's coming right up. If you're anything like me, you probably enjoy every now and then just having some wraps for dinner. It's really easy, it's casual. I just chop up all my ingredients, have some flatbreads on the go, and everyone can just assemble their own dinner and help themselves. So tonight we're having chicken shawarma. Now shawarma is like a Middle Eastern Arabic doner kebab, and it's comprised of some cooked meat. So I'm doing chicken tonight. You marinate your meat in a special blend of spices. You cook it, then you assemble your wrap with your cooked meat, a beautiful yogurt sauce, some fresh lettuce, tomato, and red onion. It's easy and it's delicious and it's a little bit different, so it's well worth a try. So to make the marinade, first you need 1 tablespoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of coriander. Now I'm going to go ahead and grind this myself, but if you don't have a grinding machine, then you can of course buy this already ground from your supermarket. So I've ground those spices and they're in the bowl now. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but of course that's up to you. If you'd like it a little bit milder, you can go light on the cayenne pepper. I've got 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, about half a teaspoon here of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt. I've thrown in a little bit of fresh lemon rind to give it a bit of zest, and I've got about 4 cloves of minced garlic here. So I'm going to add that into the bowl. Finally, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And just give those ingredients a good little mix. Once your marinade is mixed, add about 1 kilogram of chicken tenderloins, and then make sure this chicken gets nicely coated in those spices. Now this needs to go into the fridge for at least an hour. Of course, the longer you can keep it in this marinade, the better. And then you're just going to shallow fry these pieces of chicken in, it's up to you, you can use coconut oil, vegetable oil, it really doesn't matter. You're just going to shallow fry this chicken so that it's nice and tender. Next, we're going to make a yogurt sauce that you're going to use in the wrap. So in this little bowl here, I have a cup of Greek yogurt. To this, I'm going to add at least a good clove of garlic minced. I've got some salt and pepper to taste in this bowl as well. I've got 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and a good squeeze of lemon juice. Give that a good mix and then pop it back in the fridge, ready to use when you're about to eat.